Here question number 1. In 5 seconds, a hair dryer takes 10,000 joules of energy from the main supply. Am I audible, children? Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So what is its power in watt, and in the second part in kilowatts? Time is given 5 seconds, children. This 10,000 joule, what is this? This is the 10,000 joules of energy. This is E. You have to find power. And you know that in power questions are simple, but there are many equations, children. So sometimes if you are able to recall equations in exams, write equation, so you will get full marks. Otherwise your answer will be wrong. So here P equal to VI. I know this equation. As the no, this equation is not required. Voltage is not given. I can't use this equation, children. But I have another equation. What is that? P is equal to E divided by T, or W by T. You know, children. And if I put the value of E, that is 10,000 divided by time, and this will be, if you divide this value, this will be 5 to the 10 and 2,000. What is this? Is watt. 2,000 watt. So this is the answer of children 1A, and in 1B you have to write your answer in kilowatt. So kilowatt, so I can write this answer, that power 2 kilowatt, because kilo is 4 10 to the power 3, or that is 1,000. In question number 2, children, if an electric heater takes a current of 4 ampere, it is current, when connected to a 230 volts power supply, what is its power? What is its power, children? Current is given, voltage is given. Now for this question, you can apply this equation, P equal to VI. Use this equation, children, P equal to VI now. What is voltage? 230 multiplied by current. Current is how much? 4. And you do this calculation, multiply in your calculator. That will be the answer for this question, and answer will be, you have to write answer with power, with the unit of power. Yes, Anushka, your answer is correct for the 1A and 1B. And now let me move to the third question, children. If a lamp has a power of 24 watt, power is given, connected to a supply of 12 volt, what is current in it? What is current in it? Current in it. We have many equations, and as per the information given, so if I use P equal to VI, I can use, because power is given, voltage is given. So power is 24, voltage will come in the denominator, so that is 12, and so that I is equal to 2 amperes here. 12 to the 24, 2 ampere is the current. I want to go to the next question, number 4. Calculate the energy transformed. Calculate the energy transformed in an 11 watt lamp. In 1 second, energy is transformed, children. May I know what equation you will apply, children? Nathan? What equation?
Sir, is it the one with energy over time?
Energy over time, because power is given here, P equal to E divided by T. So power is given in the left hand side, which is 11 watt. Let's multiply with the T. Time is 1 second. This is equal to what we are getting here, E. So
E
11 ones are 11, and 11 joule is the answer for this question. And in the second part, you have, when the time is given 1 minute, so you will replace this
11 times 60.
60. Okay, so 11 6 is 66, and this 0, and then in the second answer, this is 660 of joule. In question number 5, a lamp takes a current of 3 ampere, battery voltage is 12. What is the power? The simple, children, power again V into I, 12 is a 36. And how much energy is transformed in 10 minutes? Work on the children, 5th B. Find out the answer of fifth B. Kashfi, your answer of 4A is 11 correct, and for B is 660 joule is also correct here. Now, children, please do 5B. Power of the lamp we are getting here, V into I, that is 36 watts. And how much energy is transformed in 10 minutes? So E is equal to P into T. Also, you know that E is also equal to VIT because P is equal to VIT. So direct power is given, so there is no need to write this equation VIT because direct value P is given. Sometimes you will get voltage there, current is there. So I use that value, this direct value.
Sir,
Yeah, 36 into, what is the time? 10 minutes, 10 into 60.
sir, isn't it supposed? Oh, okay.
Yeah, into seconds you have to write. So
It
this
will be
yes.
36 times 600 seconds.
Mhm. Then let's move to the further question now, children.
So the answer will be 18,600.
You multiply whatever the answer there.
Yes, sir. That's the answer.
Few topics left in this chapter. We will start in the coming week in class, children. Now here I want to take just few important questions, and I'm not taking question number 1 and 2. You go through with by yourself, and come to question number 3, children. Question number 3, and you read, children, by yourself, and just let me know your answer. Question number 3, A part, children.
Okay, sir.
I'm giving you permission to annotate, children, and you can mark the direction of current. Anyone, you can annotate the direction of current. No, 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 you are going to the wrong direction. Just look for the positive terminal of the battery. Smaller one is considered as the negative terminal. The bigger one line considered the positive terminal. Smaller one considered the low potential. No, still you are doing wrong. Yeah. So whenever you find this type of question, children, so switch is closed, you have to show first the switch is closed. Put 2 3 arrows. I can one arrow in each arm. Yeah, there are 4 arms, 1 2 3. Put 1 arrow in each arm. In second part here, a voltmeter V to measure the voltage across L1. A voltmeter V to measure the voltage across L1. Please someone connect the voltmeter across L1. Cassie Chan, Jordan, Yajish, Kashvi, yeah, anyone. Ankish Sharma, I have not received any single response from you. Yeah, Nicolene, correct. Good. So this type of question was there in your class test, children, first class test, and there are chances that many of students might be made some mistake in this question. They asked that you have to connect a voltmeter across the parallel combination, across a parallel combination, children. So in that question, so parallel combination, suppose if I say you had to connect a voltmeter in a parallel combination, where are the parallel combinations? Parallel combination is for bulb L2 and L3. So you have to connect a voltmeter. You just connect a voltmeter here. That is the right way. Connect a voltmeter in parallel. In parallel, that is the parallel. If they say put the voltmeter, let me make this screen clear. If they say put a voltmeter in parallel with L3, connect here. If they say put a voltmeter in parallel with L2, draw here. L1 you have seen here, the voltmeter will be here.
So,
And across a parallel combination, just draw here. Yes, please.
so for question number 3,
Mhm.
is it this? Over here says that
What is this?
that red thing, switch, a switch,
Okay,
sir.
for the third part, a switch level S that controls L3 only. Yeah, to control switch, sorry, to control bulb L3, you can connect switch anywhere in this arm.
So
Now,
why not the other arm?
suppose if you connect, you want to connect here. If you want to connect,
No, sir, I meant the other side. The
this,
other side of
yeah,
health.
this one, that's the same part. Now that this is the single
Oh,
one.
okay,
You
sir.
can connect anywhere. The single wire you can connect anywhere. So, but if some are thinking, sir, if I connect here the switch, and suppose you have opened that switch will make both the bulb on and off. Okay, both bulb will affected by that switch. We have to only make switch on and off, switch number third, sorry, bulb number third. So this must be somewhere like this, any area here on this wire.
Yes, sir.
Now the next question. Where is for question? Here. This is my last question for today, children. The circuit diagram shows the battery connected to the 5 lamps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The current in lamps A and B are shown. A and B. Write down the current flowing in lamp C. May I ask this question to Ankit and Kenneth, please, both of you. Ankit and Kenneth. Both are missing. Then Sarah Singh, Trisha,
So which question?
4A. If you not reply, children, this it may impact your internal assessment. You remember this. Okay, anyone who know, please tell me.
Sir, is it I have a feeling it's like 3 amps.
Karthik said 1. Now, children, see. The current produced by here, as per given in the statement, this is 3 ampere. That is the current produced by this battery. When this current will move to this point here, when current reaches to this point, that this is a junction point and current will divide. And they said that 2 ampere is going along this side. Then the remaining current means 3 minus 2. That is equal to 1 ampere. That 1 ampere will current pass through. 1 ampere will go through C. 1 ampere. 1 ampere will pass through D. Both are in series. And this 1 and 1 they will combine here. And from this side, this 2 is coming. 1 ampere will combine, and then the the current passing through the E will be 3 ampere. The combined,
Yeah, sir.
the total current produced by the battery is 3 ampere, and the same current will return back. Remember, children, the current will not lose anywhere in the path. What about lamp E? We have already discussed that the same 3 ampere. Yeah, that's enough, I think. The rest of the question, children, you practice by yourself. There are question number 5 important, question number 6 is also important, question number 7 important, and there are many questions. All these further questions are from the IGCSE, children, and these are important questions. So I will suggest you never forget to practice further questions from your text.